Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you know that transferring assets like XRP can sometimes feel tricky. Today, in this 2025 guide, I'm walking you through the simple steps to transfer XRP from Coinbase to Revolut. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or just move funds quickly, this tutorial will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Revolut. If you don't, head over to their apps or websites and create one. It's straightforward and usually takes just a few minutes. Once you're logged into Coinbase, navigate to your dashboard and find your XRP wallet. You'll see your balance there, so double check that you have enough XRP to cover the transfer, including any network fees. Next, go to the Send or Withdraw option in Coinbase. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. That's where Revolut comes in. Open your Revolut app, go to the crypto section, and generate or copy your XRP wallet address. This is crucial, so paste it carefully into Coinbase to avoid any mistakes. Remember, in 2025, Revolut has streamlined this process with better integration, but always verify the address twice. Now, specify the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Coinbase will show you the estimated fees, which are often based on the XRP network. These fees are usually low, but keep an eye on them as crypto prices can fluctuate. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction, most likely with two-factor authentication for security. Once the transfer is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to reflect in your Revolut account, depending on network congestion. In 2025, with faster blockchain updates, this should be quicker than ever. Check your Revolut app to confirm the XRP has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. That's it for this quick guide on transferring XRP from Coinbase to Revolut. It's a seamless process that puts you in control of your crypto. If you run into any issues, double-check your settings or reach out to customer support. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.